नहीं बचा, कुछ नहीं करना, नहीं आ रहा है। क्या okay, I'll start. So, a very good morning to all of you. Belated. Okay, so bright and early. Yeah, except for a few. As always on Saturday morning. So today what we're going to do is, yeah, I was supposed to say something. Was it? Wait, for your art and craft, she needs a regular sandpaper. So whichever number is fine. Okay, we are going to do some artwork in that. So that is not the criteria, just a regular sandpaper is fine. She didn't specify any number. And for me, I would require that number 3, but in case you don't get, go ahead with the reds and the blacks that you got. Number 3, it's called as number 3. If the person concerned who's selling, he doesn't know the number, you can just look into it. Huh.
Which one?
The middle one. Yeah. Okay, now the hardboard that you have, white glossy hardboard, I hope by now everybody has shopped around. In case you haven't, there are students who have already shopped around. You can ask them to buy it and you can pay the conveyance. Okay, and you can get it from them. Get a hardboard, let's say 10 sheets. You need 10 sheets of hardboard. Very good, very good. And you'll need more, but in the starting 10 sheet is enough. And each sheet you'll go to the printing person and cut it in 15 by 20 centimeters. 10 sheets of hardboard. In one sheet you get 1/5. 10 sheets of hardboard. Yeah, there are different sizes. That is why I don't specify. You got this hardboard for 75 centimeter by 62, is it? Acha.
3 20 along the breadth,
Ji.
along the length 5.
Totally you got 15 numbers.
Yeah.
15 numbers here. So let's say 30 numbers you'll get by 2 sheets. Let's say 3. Don't go in for 10. Let's say 3 in the beginning. We need 5, but let's say 3. Get 3. 10 le liya na? Very good. Okay. So now each will be cut to 15 by 20 centimeters. Okay? You are going to make alphabets A to Z. That is 26. And you are going to make numbers 0 to 9. That is 10. You are going to make... Na. 0 to 9. Okay? 10 jab chahiye to 1 and 0. Very good. So application, how to go about it, we'll do later. That is 10. Then we'll be doing phonics A to Z. Phonics flashcards you have already done, so we are not going to do much of it because you have lots of others to do. Phonic flashcards बोल रहे हैं, वो आपने KG कार्ड पर भी बना दिया ना, इस बार नहीं बनाओगे. Picture flashcards. A to Z, that is again 26 that you'll require. Language flashcards, I'll have to ask madam because Pratima madam will be taking this time. If she, last year she had specified for KG cardboards. In case she says hardboard, we already have available. Okay? So as of now, sorry? Language flashcards, that is what I'm saying. This time Montessori, Pratima madam is going to take. No, that's not the issue. Flashcards are general for all, whether you have taken Montessori or nursery. But since I have more subjects, I have carried on there and she's going to take language flashcards, be it Kannada or be it Hindi. Okay, so totally how much is it? I don't know. 12. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 62. Am I right? 62 flashcards of that size. Where is the size? हाँ बता दिया ना 15 by 20 size के 62 cut करवा लीजिए. Anyway, you'll require that much. Plus, keep a bit more because you never know, you might make a mistake. Huh. Ji, it becomes dirty. Yeah. Get a shoe box. You know what's a shoe box? Where you get shoes. Okay, get a shoe box of an appropriate size. Okay, because chappal boxes usually are a little thinner, shorter in length. Get a shoe box wherein you can keep those. Not a used one, unused one. Sorry? We'll be making templates. G, crockery boxes. Yes, crockery boxes, solid boxes. And you know, you get these brown tips, packaging tips. I want, yeah, the broad ones. I want you to package it on all the sides so that it doesn't tear while you bring. To and fro, it might tear. And then all your flashcards go rumbling down. So this is one thing that we'll be doing. I hope you have hardboard with you. In my next class, whenever is that yellow color, that's my next class. After the holidays. So I'm giving you ample time. You're going to get hardboard 60 to 65 plus and minus. Then you're going to get me sandpaper, preferably black or red. But in case you get yellow or brown, as is regularly available in the hardware stores, it's fine. Let's say you start with 10. 10 is just for the example. Remaining you're going to do it at home anyway. Okay? And then I need, let's say, A4 size sheet. 10 unruled, unprinted A4 size sheets, which we are going to use as templates for capital letter, small letter. And then you need your regular, let's say, Fevicol, 1 bottle of Fevicol. And then scissor. Am I correct? Scissor, pencil, scale. You are bringing pen blade. I have no issues. Instead of scissor, no issue with pen blade. Pen blade, cutter. If you have a cutting board, fine. In case you don't have a cutting board, please don't cut my mat. Turn around, use the cemented floor, make a line, no issues. G? That's what I said. In case you have a cutting board or a chopping board, please bring that along. That's a good point. And your scissors will not go blunt, so better use a cutter. A cutter and a chopping board. Okay? We'll do it a little more neatly this time. Okay? And in case you have these covers, because all the kachra that generates after that has to be thrown in the garbage. Now in case you don't bring Fevicol, also fine. What we'll do is we'll make templates of the letters. You could go again to the printing person and glue it up. You can stick it with him, because there they have those wonderful glues wherein the books and covers get stuck to each other. So it's always better. Tumhara bhi kaam kam. But Fevicol is a good one. Fevicol is a good one. In case you have a Fevicol, we'll stick it here. 1 or 2 as an example we'll do. Anyway, that's going to be useful to you for art and craft class also later. Okay? I hope everybody got the mail. इधर रखना इधर।
वो आई ना पीछे मारो वो आरती बंद कर दी वो फोन कर ना वहाँ से नॉट कमिंग कैसे होता है ना
Okay, now let's continue about the GK chart book. Firstly, it's going to be same like ABC album. Same like ABC album means it's going to be landscape, spiral bound. Okay, so that is spiral bound. Spiral bound. What are you going to spiral bind? Colored KG cardboards. Any color of your choice and don't keep one color after the other. Matlab, don't keep the same color together. Okay? Let's say I have yellow, pink, blue, the basic pastel colors that you get. That's enough. 3 colors are enough. But keep it one yellow, one pink, one blue, then one yellow, one pink, one blue, haphazardly. Thick ones. Thick ones. Not the very thick ones. Yeah, I'll tell you. You need 25 sheets. When you spiral bind, you need 25 sheets. So I don't know, in one big kg cardboard, how many? 2?
3. If it's exactly 8 means you get 2. If we do little small than A3, 3.
कर लो, little smaller than A3 कर लीजिए, but it should be bigger than A4. ठीक है? Because if you do 4, then it becomes as good as A4. That's why. ठीक है? And again, the left margin, leave the left margin, borders and left margin. Yeah, left margin will be a little bigger, and then borders on all the other 3 sides. Now borders can be any type. You can have a sketch border, you can have a pencil border. Yeah, please don't have blue pen borders. It looks really awkward. Okay, as long as it doesn't block on the other side, and you are going to use only the right hand side. You are going to use only the right hand side. Left hand side will always be empty. Now, as you did for the ABC album, as soon as when you do the spiral binding, the first transparent sheet is given by the printing person. Ask him for it. Okay? As soon as you open that, first will be my GK chart book or my GK album, general knowledge and EVS, anything. Anything under the sun which shows, implies that it is a GK chart book. Okay? And if you want, no, you're not going to write your name in that. Next page will be a certificate. The landscape certificate, not the portrait one. The landscape certificate. Name will be your first name together with an initial, and course will be, in case you have taken only Montessori, it's Advanced Diploma in Montessori Education. If it's only nursery, it's Advanced Diploma in Nursery Education. If it's both, just write ADME and ADME. Batch 2013-14. Then the next page on the right hand side, you are going to do the index. Why do I want the index is because a lot of topics come under GK EVS. I want to know which topics you have covered, that's why. Art and craft में हमने नहीं किया था, ABC में भी नहीं किया था, इसमें आप करेंगे. करना है मैडम सर, ठीक है. So you make an index. Here also you are going to make an index. ठीक है. Now index again, in case this is your spiral bind, you can have it this way also, or you want it this way, go ahead and put it this way also, no issues. Anyway. Okay. Always, when you have a landscape wala books, preferably this is the way. Or if everything doesn't fit in a landscape, then it should be starting from here. Getting my point? It should not be on the right. Never. But it will always be on this side, huh? Only on the right hand side.
Otherwise we can do middle line and we can use
Aram se. Upon you. But I need an index. Now, we write it as GK chart book, but you can also have the EVS topics under it also. It's fine. Okay? So I'm going to give you right now, let's say somewhere around 30 topics. I'll give you 30 topics, and you select out of it and take out 20 to 25.
and 25 sheets is apart from those certificate pages.
25 items or topics we are going to have.
We can make 30 sheets better.
No issues.
How will you make it?
No issues. ठीक है? So now, shall I just dictate it out to you? Better. ठीक है? You are also going to tell me. Now, the basic thing that you start with in GK for a child.
First myself.
Very good.
Myself.
So, the first topic for today is myself. Myself. When you talk about myself, what are you going to do? When you have, let's say this is my right hand side. I have borders on all the four sides. Always it's this way. You are going to write here, myself. Here it is not going to be my name is so and so. I am so many years old. It's not that. Myself here means parts of the body. So instead of myself, you can also write parts of the body or my body. Any of these three nomenclatures is fine. Because GK chart book is only going to be more of sticking pictures than writing. Writing part goes in your 4-line book. It's not here. Okay? So, you are going to stick a picture of a child and take all together, draw a line, let this be in a straight line and show me the hands and legs and fingers and so on. Very good. So, she has it ready. Okay? You get these kind of pictures, ready pictures. Or if you don't want this, you get only the eye, organ, mouth. Do not teach the lips and teeth in the first, okay? It will be just the mouth. And then chest, tummy, hands, legs, toes. You get these separate pictures also. You can use that.
Separate also.
G, separate also you can use. But here, you have to write it down. I will not have the printed one. That is why you have to write it down. नहीं चाहिए. Okay? Yeah. You have to write it down. It's already written in the box. For example, you get those ready charts wherein in a box the I is made and then it's written EYE. You are going to cut the written part. And after you stick, below that you are going to write Al.
It should be colorful or
Colorful. Colorful. How do you get books? Books colorful होते हैं ना? I'm not talking about the computer image and taking out and coloring it up. No need of all that. ठीक है? You get ready-made books. Just cut it out, paste it. And below each image you are going to write what it is. ठीक है? So the first, sorry? Any color of your choice. Any sketch. Do not use the fat ones. Use a, as long as the glitter is not silver, golden, grey, yellow, that's fine with me. Any color. But see that in case it's dark green chart, don't use green again.
And we need to do it like this. Like landscape or landscape.
ठीक है?
How many doubts like?
तुम लोग बहुत डाउट पूछ रहे हो. Okay, it's time you grew up. मैंने बोलने का दो. Yeah? Everybody give your finger on your lips. Until I finish this, don't tell anything else. ठीक है? चलो. So first thing is parts of the body. Okay, next one. What do you think after the child understands about himself? What else? Very good. My family. My family. Here again you get ready-made charts, or you can also have a family photo. In case you have, just stick it there and take lines and say grandfather, grandmother. Okay? Don't have this doubt that because I am the mother, she's my mummy, I should write mummy. No, it's not like that. For the child, grandfather, grandmother and so on. Okay? Next. You get ready-made charts also. Again upon you. It's going to be your album, that's why. Separately also you can do. Or I give you another idea. You can be very creative. You can have a family tree. You have a tree wherein you have these small passport or stamp size photographs, and below each you are going to write mummy, daddy, grandfather, grandmother, baby, and the name of the child will be the name of the child. Let's say Kapil. He is not going to write I or me. ठीक है? Kapil के साथ relations है ना पूरा. Keep Kapil in the center, or let's say bottom center. ठीक है? So that's about it. Then we have the next topic. Topic number 3. Wild animals. Wild animals is one topic. Next topic, domestic animals. Now since domestic is a bit difficult to pronounce, a lot of schools have started pet animals. You can also call it as pet animals. That's your next topic. You can also have sea animals or aquatic animals or water animals.
Please keep only one nomenclature. I'm giving you 2 or 3 different nomenclatures for that. Only one name. I'm calling it aquatic also, I'm calling it sea also, I'm calling it water also. Keep one name for that. You can also have reptiles, but don't have amphibians, mammals, all that we don't know. Reptiles, you can put it as, let's say, very, very low tides, keep it in, beta, reptiles, lizards, crocodiles.
Crocodile also in water.
You can do. Please, I don't want pictures, two pictures in, 2 topics. Keep a separate thing. In case you don't want reptiles, go ahead for insects. Cockroaches and ants and butterflies. Ji. 5 to 6 at random. Ji, do not keep it too cluttered. At random, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but everything looking like that looks very odd. Just at random here, there, everywhere, and below each you are going to write the name. Okay, do not do drawing here. This is not drawing at all. This is pasting work. Okay. So after that, what shall we have? Flowers. Reptiles. रखना चाहते हो तो करो. अलग अलग. Okay. Next say flowers. Then we have fruits. Then we have vegetables. आपके ऊपर बेटा. Write down as birds. Vegetables, separate paper. Then we have birds. What else can we have?
Our helpers, community helpers.
Yeah. People around us or people who help us. Yeah, our helpers.
Just we need to write their name or we can match the button
Just
like
let for example, there's a policeman. He should be wearing a khaki vardi or khaki uniform and write below policeman. A person with a bag full of letters, postman.
Gun matching.
No matching. That you can do it for the worksheet. Ji, no matching. It's just showing. Yeah, animals and their homes or animals and their living place. Then animals and their young ones. No matching the following, it will be together. And what you are naming, the picture. For example, it's a dog and you have to name kennel. If it's a cow, you are going to name shed below that. If it's a cow, it will be a calf. बेटा पहले मुझे कंप्लीट करने दो, बीच में बिल्कुल मत बोलना. 5 to 6 enough. 5 to 6 are enough. We have more, keep more as long as it's not looking cluttered. What else can we have? Okay, modes of communication. Very good. Modes of communication. In modes of communication, you can have the internet. Whose phone is that? Please switch it off or keep it in silent. Mobile, landline, internet. You can also have that. वो पुराने ज़माने में डिबिया रखते थे ना वो रस्सी के साथ. For a child, right? It's not available because we have killed it. It's from where it started. That's right. Okay. Okay. Then radio and all that. Now means of transport. Means of transport or transportation. In means of transport, you can have an aeroplane, you can have a train and bicycle and scooter and whatnot. Okay. Anything which goes. Let's say below cart also. Cart on wheels. That's also fine. Now, it's not necessary all pictures have to be of the same size. For example, if I have a train, I might have with the tracks and the pictures a little bigger. But if I have a plane, it is just a small thing. So I can have an assorted shape and size also. Okay? Next one.
That time we can place the picture 4 or 5.
Copy. No drawing work. What else? What else shall we have? Seasons. Very good. Seasons. All seasons together. Next one. Clothes we wear. Food we eat. Have 1 or 2 of junk food. Don't have more of junk because children should relate and they should feel happy to look at it. So इसलिए सब कुछ boring मत रखना. Sorry, healthy food also. Healthy food is also fine. Ice cream तो रखना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं बेटा, fruits का complete different because you teach fruits completely different. Okay, that's one of the first basic things that are taught. Festivals, very good. Festivals, and then let's go back and become patriotic. Our country. Our country means you're going to have a national flag, a national emblem. What else can we have? Lotus, national bird. Map of India. That's also fine. What else? Our leaders.
School things at home.
Our leaders. I'm going to give you 30 to 35. And you select out of that, the choice is yours, whichever you want. I should not have first 5. Everybody did first 5. बाकी के लोग कुछ नहीं किया. Okay. And things at home. That's also fine. You could also break it down. Let's say things in the bathroom. You get those kind of workbooks also. Things in the bathroom, things in the kitchen, like that. Or you can have my house, and in my house you show one drawing of a kitchen, then one of bathroom, one of a living room, one of a bedroom. That also you can do. Okay? Games we play. सेपरेट भी कर सकते हो. अगर if you are taking things or accessories per room, do not have bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. जी जी, you can have.
You can have outdoor games, indoor games.
नहीं, separate chart altogether. Indoor games is separate chart, outdoor game is separate chart. In case you are not specifying, then games come under one, club together. Okay, games is under one. Shapes, very good. Shapes and colors. Now, the problem with shapes is if you keep different colors. There was this one child who said a green triangle, and every time when he had to talk about a triangle, he could relate it only with green. So that is why what I want you all to do is you get these glazed papers. Okay, glazed paper से cut कीजिएगा basic 5 to 6 shapes, same color. ठीक है? You can cut it out and below each write circle. This is not the ready-made one. You do get ready-made. I'm not talking about the ready-made. I'm talking about same color shapes. Colors is the next one. Now in colors again, ready wala bhi milta hai. It looks very nice. No, it's like a paste coming out in different colors, or color pencils, and they talk about red and yellow. You can have creative things. Please have creativity in that. In case you don't get anything, as a last resort, what can you do? अजीब बातें बोलती है. Okay, what can you do is you can stick an A4 size sheet on it and then scribble it one color and write yellow. Scribble another color, write red. Simple. ठीक है? Anything which is creative. हाँ जी. अब देखो कलर्स के बुक्स मिलते हैं जिसमें यूनिफॉर्म कलर्स का तरीका है. In case you don't get, I'm saying, take an A4 size sheet. There, scribble and say yellow. Next scribble and say red, but the scribbling should be uniform. Next scribble and say blue. Next scribble and say brown. Anything. Colors का बोल रहे. Shapes में करना तो shapes में करो. Make a shape instead of this. Instead of a scribble, as the child says, love heart. Fill it up with those colors. Heart shaped. Yeah. How many are done?
But this is only A4 sheet only.
कोई भी color यार, your colors.
देखो वही हो जाएगा ना. It's same आपको मतलब जैसे
Colors use कीजिए. That's why I'm saying colors use कीजिए. When you talk about colors, use colors.
no shapes, about shapes.
One color.
सबके लिए एक ही कलर चाहिए. तो रेडीमेड भी अगर सबके लिए एक ही कलर यूज हो तो
That's fine. हाँ. हाँ. What is? How many done? 28.
28.
What else can you have? Good habits. Good habits. Okay? Good habits. And then you do get of bad habits also, but I would rather not prefer having it. You can have a little bit there, bad habits also. Okay? Then action words. Playing, singing, eating, cycling. You do have that, yes? After action words, what else can you have? Types of trees or types of plants. Types of plants. T-Y-P-E-S, types. Types of plants, wherein you have a banana tree, then you can show a little sapling of, yeah, it's fine. Festivals are done. Places of worship. Places of worship. Yeah, temple, church, gurdwara, Parsis, Zoroastrian temples, masjid, church, whatever. Places of worship again. Types of coins. Will you teach coins? I have no issue with that, because when you start teaching hobbies, it's good to have interest. Do you teach 7 wonders? If it is part of your thing, it's fine. I have no issues. 7 wonders you can have. But then again, not the old seven wonders, the new seven wonders. You have to be up to date.
Otherwise, in India, whatever we have. Taj
Yes,
Mahal,
places in
Qutub
India.
Minar.
Places in India. You can have pictures of Taj Mahal. What happened, Jasmine? The more I am telling, each topic her face is going down and down, and her nose is going up. Oh God. Okay. Our leaders. You finished our leaders, no? हाँ. और बोलो. Clothes prepare हो गया.
Sense organs, we were in sense organs.
So what you can do, one page you can have complete body, one page you can have the sense organs. It's upon you. What else?
Dates.
Planets, different planets and the sun and galaxy. Go ahead. Our universe, you can have a star and a sun and a moon and a planet. And
This one was
Solar
night
system.
of day.
day and night. How are you going to show it? Tell me.
Morning means day normal. Morning is sun. Night is scribbling on stars. Glitter.
You do get ready also of that. Day and night ready also you get. Okay? You'll have the same picture, one with the sun and one the child is sleeping with the star and the moon. Day and night also can be
In
done.
one chart only this one. Day and night. Or separate no.
No separate. No separate. What else? Jaldi bolo. Kuch bolo. We need one more. Last one.
Furniture.
My school. Furniture is also fine. Table, chair, bed.
Or places, airport, railway station, bus station.
Okay. The title would be
Rest it will be like places.
places. So you have a bus stand, you have a let's say different places where the people stand or commute from one place to another. What else can you have? That's enough for today. 30 I've given, out of which 37 I've given. 38. Oh my God, it's increasing. Achha, anyway, out of this 25, let's say, you're going to select 25 and each in a separate chart paper. In the end, before you bind it, show it to me. Then you're going to spiral bind it and get it ready for this module. So by December end, I'm going to take it. It's actually November end that I'm supposed to take, but I'm giving you 1 month. Okay? December end. Last date is November officially, but you can give by December. It's fine. हाँ तो इसलिए कोई बात नहीं, आप जल्दी कर लो because this is easy. Child, हाँ. लोग ना बहुत मेरा फायदा उठा रहे हो. Yeah, I'll give you an example one. Remind me, last year's I'll give you as an example. Okay, मैं कब पढ़ाई start करूँ? तुम लोग के डाउट से खत्म नहीं होते. आगे नहीं चलना है क्या? Oh my God. See, project presentation, 16th and 23rd. You have 4 things to do. One is a hard copy. You were not present. But sweetly check into the website because no time ma. Okay, anyway, hard copy. That will be in the acknowledgement, introduction, description. Then is the soft copy. Please pen drive में मत लाइएगा क्योंकि I had a virus problem last year. So please send it to me by mail. जी, you make it in the PPT form. Third is the actual presentation that you as a teacher are going to do here. I gave you 2 methods. Now either you consider them to be students and you give a lecture on what seasons it is.
That depends on us.
That depends on you. As long as you're not demeaning the other person. You're not saying, okay, stand up, you're my student and I'm good. And that kind of pride, ego should not be there. Or better thing I would prefer is that it's you're a teacher and I'm a teacher and I'm just giving you ideas. We can do this also, we can do that also. And the fourth is that you are going to have AV-Aids along with you. AV-Aids means you're going to have a chart. In case you don't have a chart, you're going to have a model. Either of that is fine. Yeah, you can ask one of the volunteers from the audience to come and hold the chart for you until you explain that. Okay, any doubts? Remaining, check the website. Okay, everybody open your theory textbooks, the red books. Close all the other books, open the red books. We are going to do paper 3. Did we start school management the other day?
Yes.
What did we talk about school management?
What is education? And that is
What was that? We're wondering, that is not school management, man, it is school management. हाँ, अच्छा, first part ही करेंगे हम लोग. You only did one chapter, is it? Only one chapter. Besharam people, what were we doing all the other time? हाँ, so the moral of the story, जिसको doubts है मेरे cabin में आओ, अभी सबको क्लास में doubts नहीं, ठीक है? Okay, now we are going to start with the second chapter because we have finished the first chapter. For those who are not present in the first chapter, let's have a quick recap. What is school management? Or let's say principles of school management. What is it? मोटा मोटा हिसाब बोलो. पढ़ा है तो बोलो, नहीं पढ़ा है डायरेक्टली टेल मी मैम आई डिडंट स्टडी. नो इश्यूज. यू डिडंट स्टडी. शी इज वंडरिंग वेदर शी स्टडीड और नॉट. अच्छा बोलो. हाँ. हम्म. 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 Why? Tell me why. Why should you know the difference between good and bad?
If we know good, then only we can do good. Bad, if we know bad, we won't do that. We can behave ourselves properly.
Why should we behave?
Society accepts because society only accepts the good things.
Exactly. It's again depending on the society because in a society a particular method of living is necessary. What the society considers as good, that is what should be taught to the child because he has to gel in with the society in the back end. It's not कि चलो उसको मैं अलग से पढ़ाऊंगी, I'll give a home schooling and he need not interact in the society because one fine day he is going to interact. What if he grows up? What if he has to go for work? What if he has to earn something? What if he has to get married? It's all part of a life cycle. And in a life cycle, interaction with society is very much prevalent. We are not the food gatherers or the hunters that we used to be. Now we have settled down and we have started a society of our own. And society is interlinked, it's network. So in this networked society, a new child or a new flower which blossoms up has to be given the right amount of sunlight, a right amount of do's and don'ts so that the child gets absorbed into the regular garden of life. Okay? Now, Chaitra, tell me, what is the importance of principles other than gelling in the society? The importance. All the others can copy, look into your textbooks. बेटा I'll call you Chaitra from next time. हाँ जी बोलिए. पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है? नहीं पढ़ा. Finish. नहीं पढ़ा है. तो अभी देखो ना cheaters. I'm telling you, look into your textbooks. I give you 2 minutes. I don't want blank faces. Come on. Take all of 2 minutes. Read the first chapter completely. I'm going to ask you questions. Principles of Education, page number 1, chapter number 1. Complete chapter is done. For those who are watching online, it's there in the website, chapter number 1. think next time I have to call you an hour earlier and give you one study period. Okay, so are you be all ready? What's pre-primary education?
It's the education that is provided to the child at early childhood
Okay.
to promote the first next level cognitive development and creativity. Child to learn
Are you telling me definition or are you telling me why? I didn't ask why yet. Ah. Okay, anyway, what's the need for pre-primary education? देख लो, which teacher will allow you to cheat right in front of you? So you're so accustomed to not cheating. Aishwarya, what's the need? Okay. Man-made only, no, natural. Education system itself, we can't have Tarzans here. It's man-made only. Acha. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Importance of pre-primary education. Supriya. बस उतना ही सोसाइटी का मैं सुन चुकी हूँ हाँ
language development, emotional peace.
mass answers were number one, isn't it? ठीक है, chapter 2 everybody, बेशर्मो, go to the next chapter. Okay, moral of the story, मेरी class में at least पढ़ के आइएगा, please. I can't have disconnection totally, then you'll be wondering because this is a very dry subject, okay? So I can't have total disconnection. And because, why do we have this third chapter? Sorry, this paper 3. Paper 3 is for those who want to just not be in a teacher's position. वो What if in case you want to become a principal? What if in case you want to head an institution? There are lots of different things that you have to do. What if in case you have to start a school? Everybody has this rokada hai, but how do you go about? We don't know. There are people who are ready to start a school, but it doesn't stay on 5 years and then the school fails. Why does the school fail? Because people don't know how to run that. And running does not come with qualification. Running does not even come with money. Yeah, skills hote hain. Lot of skills like planning and directing and controlling and a lot of blah 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 other. Vanita, come in. Okay, so this is why we have this complete paper. So that we understand, we as an individual, if we want to become independent, what are the things that goes on in the management also, because this comes under the closed doors. So बंद दरवाजों में बातें होती है. Okay, everybody, she is. Introduce yourself. She registered pretty early, but she came late due to different things. So welcome, Vanita. Have a seat. Okay, for those latecomers, we are doing paper 3, chapter 2, Principles of Education. Everybody, look into your textbooks. History of education in India. Now, India is known for education. We export teachers, you see. All the brains go to USA, UK, Germany, New Zealand, and all those high-fi places. We have all the brainies going there. Why? Why do I have the brain thing? Because Indians have a lot and a lot of knowledge. Where did the knowledge come up from? Because India has an education system in the society. Our society deals with education only. Now, if you see the current ratio in USA also, the rank holders, maximum rank holders in all the universities are Asians. That includes Chinese, that includes Indians, and a lot of different places, like a percent of Pakistanis, a percent of different things, people around. Okay? Asians are in the top positions in all the universities. Why is that so? So they did a research. They did a research to know whether the parents force them into it or whether the child loves to do it. Now they went and started interviewing those kind of students. I'll give you a link of that. So you can have it in detail, you can see a lot of different links are there. So they go and interview this young girl, and she is a daughter of a single mother. Okay? Her mother was the first generation who came to the US. She started working there as a shopkeeper or something. Now this girl, she was Asian, and she is the first rank in the class. We call it as grades. They have the A grade there. And this girl is multi-talented. She also goes for the cello classes. She also goes for musical instrument classes. Okay? So how do you have an interest in both? And she excels in both. They asked her, did your mother force you to it? Did your mother force you to it? She said no. And when the mother was taken, they thought the mother would be like a tiger, very ferocious kind of a woman and a dictator kind, because mothers usually are in Indian scenario. They say, ye nahi karna hai, wo nahi karna, skirt choti hai, ye baal lambe nahi hai, blah 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 blah. Okay? So that lady was very sweet, and she had no idea that her child was excelling in all of the streams that she had selected. She said, jitna wo padhna chahti hai, I said go ahead and study. I provide for her all the fees and all that. That's what I'm working for, and my daughter knows it. There's nothing else that I do. And what does the daughter do? Nothing else. I want to study further. She has determination, she has aims. So Indian society always starts with an aim. That's very important. Maqsad, as we call it in Hindi. जब तक मकसद है, पढ़ाई है, जिंदगी है. मकसद नहीं है, drugs है, waste of life. And just wasting yourself going around. That is not life. That's just like living a life of an animal. Animal also eats, sleeps, lives, jumps, runs, and we are also doing the same. But being a human being has a responsibility. Now each person is born for a purpose, for an aim. You have to discover your own aim. You have to discover your own aim. We had, like in 3 Idiots, we had a person, a student who was interested in photography. But he was studying engineering, and right after his engineering he shifted. We do have a lot of situations of that sort, where the aim, a higher calling calls them. So that is what is essential. Higher calling. When does that higher calling come?
when we have a planned system of education. And India is well known for a planned system of education. We had what we call as the Gurukul system. Now what is a Gurukul system? Anybody can explain to me? I think we've done this in the last class.
In the ancient days, the students have to go and stay at the Gurukul. The Guru used to teach them, and these Shishyas, they used to do their regular work,
Yeah.
normally, and they used to learn.
Aishwarya, some more idea. They learn from their daily life. What else? Sorry? Okay, in those days books were not present. Oral, and with those dedication, it was passed on the same way from generation to generation. For example, Vedas. Vedas are the first books of learning that we know of, which is put down in print. Yeah. So Indian system already has a history of education. But the education system in India as of now came from the British era. From the British era, when India was a colony of British, this system of education of sitting down with a table and chair and listening to what the teacher says, understanding it and writing an examination, all that came into being. Refinement came into being. And a lot of Indians were sent to London to study further, especially the tribal area people. They were educated so that they could in turn come and open schools of their own. Yeah? So let's keep it in a fact thing. All the other fine ones, you can read it from the book. Okay. Now the system of India, as of now we go by this British education system. Though we have started our own university, but usually we go back there to get in touch with the syllabus. Nowadays a lot of research is being done by our own Indians. So we have started a unique method, which is a little bit of US, a little bit of Germany. What is good in the education system, we bring it back and we start. For example, when Lalu Prasad Yadav was the Minister for Railways, he had gone abroad and learned how the railway runs there, and then he comes back. Metro is not of Indian origin. We go back abroad, we learn something from them, and then we come here and imbibe that. So the same way, education is something which is just like a flower. Why do I call education to a flower? Is because the scent does not stay in one place. The scent of education does not stay in one place. You open the cap and the complete house, the scent is spread. The same way education system is to be spread amongst everybody. In India, we have only 13% of preschool going children. Children of preschool age, if we take in totality in India, only 13% of children of the age 3.5 to 5 years go to school. That's because their parents are aware, or that's because they have NGOs or schools nearby. The others don't. Main concern, they say poverty. They say poverty, main concern. But we do have schools which do not charge a single penny. The second concern is lack of awareness in parents. मेरा बच्चा अभी छोटा है, he is very small. When he becomes big, I will send him to school. When does he become big? छोटा कभी भी छोटू ही रहता है घर में. He never becomes big. Even after marriage, grows up, but he's still छोटू. Yeah? So that's why I have uncles by the name of baby. Okay? What is the third reason? Third reason is because it is not promoted. The preschool education, as we know, is not promoted by the government of India. But as of now, you have seen the mail that I have sent to you. Yeah, it's come in the Times of India also. The government plans in regulating the preschool education in India. Why is that so? Those who see that there is a demand but no supply, they charge exorbitant rates. They do not even go for, licensing. They do not even see qualification of teachers. They do not see whether what psychological impact the child will have. Nothing of that sort. They just need to mint money. Yeah, there are some, barring a few, but this is happening. Fourth reason, why we have only 13% of education? What can you say? You tell me. Lack of skilled labor. We have a dearth of teachers. That is why you all are here. There is a lot of demand for preschool teachers. What happens is just a regular housewife will fill the gap. BE, BTech is there. After marriage, शादी के बाद काम नहीं करवाते, teacher post के लिए जा सकती हूँ. As if it's a lowly job. I wonder why. Yeah? So, that is the problem. Lack of skilled labor. People who know how it is supposed to be done. What should be done is not just ABC. It is the way of saying that ABC that matters the most. That's the fourth. Deccan Herald, is it? Yesterday's paper. Go back and check yesterday's paper about ECC. Late, but it आ गया. Deccan में. ठीक है? After independence, the government has gone through a lot of awareness which she is giving to people around. The basic awareness that it has come down to us is the ECCE. That's Early Childhood Care and Education. Again, from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Anybody who is not taking up this course, please go for it. It's very essential, and it's like a bonus confidence for you. Okay? ECCE again is for children who are not given the basic preschool education. This system of education has come down. You know Anganwadis. Do you know what is Anganwadi? In villages, we have government school for preschool children called as Anganwadi, wherein the parent also sits with the child. The parent will also do the chores in an Anganwadi and teach the child, just be around. So ECC is something very similar yet different. When we do ECC, I'll tell you in detail about it. Okay? So we started something called as NPE, National Policy for Children in Education. National Policy on Children in Education. Now what happens in NPE? This is a regulated body which will regulate ECCE. Okay? We have certain rules, we have policy to say that the area should be this much, the place should be this open, the timing should be this much, the qualification of the teacher should be this much. Okay? All that comes under the national policy. Okay? Now, the beginning of ECCE, that again you can see it from here. This is all percentage of enrollments. Okay, I want you all to go to page number 7 and 11th 5-year plans, blah blah blah. Go there. Under the chairmanship of Joint Secretary, different kinds of, the plans that they started for women and child development. First is a prep school education, joy of learning, linkages to nutrition and health, and all matters relating to ECE. That means it's like a preparatory school wherein the child is being prepared for your formal system of education, and there should be also joy of learning. Whatever contents in ECC, it should be also joy of learning. The child should be happy to come to the environment and learn. Thirdly is, it should have more of nutrition and health of the child as well as the mother. In ECC, you will be learning a lot of health of the child as well as the mother. Nutrition intake of the child as well as the mother. Then fourth, all the matters which are relating to early childhood education will be included in that. So, development of preschool education in India, page number 9. Before Indian independence, let's just read through this because there's nothing worth talking about. Page number 9, everybody, development of preschool education in India. Before Indian independence, the Christian missionaries were the first to introduce nursery education in India, as we all know. Important nursery schools are one of the first which are still yet abiding. Loreto Convent, Lucknow, established in 1874. St. Hilda Nursery School, Pune, 1805. In 1920, we started Indianizing it. Sri Gijubhai Badeka and Sri Nanabhai Bhatt started the Dakshina Murti Bala Mandirs in Gujarat. Please remember this, very important question for your final examination. It's a sure question. Almost always I see this. Okay? In Gujarat, when did we start? That is also there. Now in 1924, Srimati Tarabai Modak started to work on the Montessori system. She developed the Gram Bal Shikshan Kendra at Kosbad in Maharashtra. And for the record, in the 40s, Dr. Maria Montessori visited India to give training and encouragement to teachers on pre-primary education. She also opened a large number of nursery schools in India. So we had Dr. Maria Montessori coming down to Gujarat, wherein she met Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi asked her to Indianize the Montessori system of education. So that is how it started here in India. In 1939, the second Varda Education Committee of the Central Advisory Board of Education laid down their main decisions. What were the main decisions in 1939? Provision of model infant and nursery schools in suitable centers. Okay, so these centers which are already going on from first standard upwards, government kind of schools, they started getting a provision for the earlier batch also. Next one, increase in the supply of trained infants teacher. So that also came under regulation policy, increase in the supply of trained infants teacher. Next one, compulsory attendance of children who are below the age for formal education. Below the age for formal education, what is the age for formal education? 6 years, 6.5, okay, 6 plus. You should be above 6 years to enter into your first standard. That's your formal education. So below that, whoever children used to come there, you have to have a compulsory attendance for them. It's not ke aa sakte ho, ja sakte ho. Next one, stimulation of voluntary agencies for efficient pre-basic schools. That means voluntary agencies who could come up and give a little bit of knowledge here, training here, there. Okay, those kind. In 1944, the Government of India appointed a committee for post-war education in India. Okay. The following recommendations were made. Number one, adequate provisions for pre-primary education in the form of nursery schools to be made. That means pre-primary educations in the form of a nursery school should be started. Next one, the nursery schools must be staffed with specially trained women teachers. Okay, specially trained women teachers. All the cases of pre-primary education should be made free, and the parents be persuaded to voluntarily send their wards to school, particularly for children whose housing conditions are not satisfactory and who have working mothers. For those of the labor class, for those where the mother has to earn for the family, that's where provision will be made for those kind of children. Next one. Young minds must be given a social experience rather than formal training. Okay? That is what the Government of India has started. That is everyday thing that happens in the society. Let's say sitting or making that biogas upla, cooking, rotis, rice, just being around and cleaning, brooming, all those regular things that are done in the daily life should be taught to the child. Dr. Annie Besant. Who's Dr. Annie Besant? Writer. She, I don't know who she is. Huh? Cousin nahi hai unki. Counterpart, yes. Yes, Indian. She's an Indian and she did a lot for India. She did a lot for Indian women and education system. She, along with Swami Vivekananda, abolished the sati system. Yeah. Oh God. Go back to your history textbooks. Dekho Dr. Annie Besant kaun hai. Took interest in the preschool development at Adyar, the international headquarters of Theosophical Society. Rukmini Devi and Dr. G.S. Arundel were also in favor of the pre-basic schools. Now in 1947, after independence, a number of emergency schools for pre-primary education were opened at Kurukshetra. What are the emergency schools? What are emergency schools? During the war, as the war goes on also, we have children who have no contribution to the war. They are not supposed to be there, but since they are already there, so what do? We make a makeshift school, and whoever can take turns and teach the child. That's called as emergency school. It usually happens in the night. We have night classes going on for those kind of children. Okay? Next one, University of Baroda. Where is Baroda? I hope so. Please check your results. University of Baroda and Delhi University were one of the pioneers in the beginning of experimental preschools. They said, "Chalo, shuru karke dekhte hain." They are one of the pioneers who have founded preschools. Some of the important preschool child education centers who have done exceptional work in the field of preschool education are: number 1, Happy School Education, Delhi. Please go to the net and check it out. Cosmic Education Center, Allahabad. Chetan Balwadi at Baroda. Children's Garden School, Mailapur, Madras. Okay, these were the first basic schools which have done exceptionally well. Role of the state in pre-primary education. That means what is the government or the state's role in a pre-primary education? The state should maintain such centers at the state and district level to train pre-primary teachers, conduct research, assist in preparation of materials and literature needed for the same, and provide supervision and guidance to pre-primary schools and training institutions. That means each state should have a reservation wherein the pre-primary teachers can be trained. And those centers which are already working, you can get in touch with them and have a collaboration, have an exchange of ideas. Next one. National Policy for Children, NPE or NPC, in 1974. The nation's children are an important asset for the country. Do you believe in that? Hence, they become a national responsibility. As such, the National Policy for Children in 1974 lays down certain policies and measures. First of all children must be covered by a comprehensive health program. All children, no matter what caste, creed, no matter what culture, no matter what rich, poor, religion, whatsoever. Children of India come under one blanket, and they should have a regular health program. Next one, provision to be made for providing good nutrition and avoiding deficiencies in the children's diet. How do we do that? If you want to avoid deficiencies, one midday meal can be given to the students. Okay? Next one, the state shall take steps to provide free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14 years. So free and compulsory education for any child that you see. In case you see any child labor going on, please inform the higher authorities and let them make the child study. What happens is, at home, for a daily wage laborer, if there is an additional income of, let's say, 10 or 12 rupees per day, they become very happy. They say कि पढ़ाई करने की क्या जरूरत है जब तुम दिन को 12 रुपए कमा रहे हो. They don't understand that within the next 20 years he'll still stay there, or he'll come up to 24, double. That's it. Whereas a child who got an ample opportunity, he will get 24,000 or 24 lakhs or 2 lakh more, 2 crores more. Who knows? As she says, no, in Veer Zara, she says कि कुड़ियों के वास्ते हाई स्कूल नहीं बनाया, क्या पता कि वीर से भी ज्यादा आगे चले जाती. The same way. So give equal opportunity for all. Next one, special assistance provided for children from weaker sections of society. Special assistance in the sense, you can include another meal, you can include a staying area for them, you can include free clothes whenever possible, that way. Next, children who become socially handicapped or who are forced to beg shall be given training and rehabilitation. We do have it here also. All the rag pickers forcefully taken and then put in a juvenile place and then given a rehabilitation, means given back to the society, giving them education and good work, all that. Amendment of existing laws to prioritize the interest of children. So all the existing laws that we have now should be amended. That means should be changed to suit the criteria of a growing child. Okay? So that was the end. Why did I go fast? Because chapter 2 actually has nothing. All you have to do is reading and a little bit of fill in the blanks wherever it will come. Just underline and read. Okay? Let's go to the chapter 3. Montessori system of education. What is the Montessori method of education? What do you mean by Montessori? Learning through scientific materials. Okay, what else? What else?
It's more practical.
It's more practical.
One group, 2 to 6 years.
It includes in 2 to 6 years child age group. Or kuch? Age per class. There is no division of age per class. Vimla, you have attended Montessori class, right? What is Montessori? Montessori is a? Okay, next. Go.
Exercise or
They'll do exercise and practical life. Okay. They do sensorial also. They do language also. They do mathematics also.
Should not be like table and chair manners.
Acha. It's like a house of children. Very good. Ji? We are not forcing them for anything. Yeah. Okay. Child learns by themselves. So now you have a good approach. You have a fairly good knowledge after the Montessori. So it becomes easier for me. Montessori method means a method wherein it's a totally different approach to education system. It's like, so Priya is wondering what, yes.
But in Montessori method, we have table activities also for kids.
हाँ बेटा पहले बोलने दो उसके बाद सवाल पूछना. I know you're well aware. ठीक है. Montessori method is a totally different approach to education system as we have studied. Okay, it's completely different. Why is it different? Here the child is given complete freedom. The child said, go beta, learn. And when the child learns, he relearns it. And then he sees it from a new dimension. And after he sees it from a new dimension, you have the new crop of generation of children coming in. This particular young child, who is a master in that, teaches or facilitates for the other child also. Here, the teacher is not a teacher as such. She is considered as a facilitator, she is considered as a guide, and just an adult. We call her as an adult. We don't say teacher, miss, ma'am and all that. She is an adult who just looks around. She is not going to interfere in what they do, because we feel interference should not be used here. So Montessori goes with the help of something we call as manipulatives. What are manipulatives? The teaching aids, the AV aids, the visual aids. You know, the aids which the child can touch, aids which the child can see, and aids which aid the child in learning Montessori better. Montessori approach again is a natural approach. It's like a daily approach. For example, a pouring activity. In EPL, as she was saying, exercise of practical life, in EPL, you are teaching the child how to pour. If, for example, I have a teapot with me for the evening tea. Aajkal hardly people use teapots and tea, cups and saucers. We all have mugs and we have mug full of it. Yeah, thoda kafi nahi hota. So, in case we do use the teapot method, we have cups and saucers. If the child wants to pour it, main karunga. What do you say? Nahi beta, it will spill. Yeah, and he becomes a source of embarrassment in front of people. I don't know why this child keeps coming in between. Why don't you let the child do it?
Instead of saying no, how to do it.
Exactly. Now, for example, I have a glass decoration, let's say a flower vase, and it falls down. By mistake, it falls down. Now it's shattered. The glass is completely shattered. If I'm a Montessori teacher, I'll say, come, let's clean it together. And they will bring the dustpan, they'll bring the brush and literally broom the area, clean it. And we'll show them the technique of cleaning without getting their hands hurt. Next time the teachers rest assured that mere bina bhi class chalegi. Yeah? Today if I am a Montessori teacher, I am very much confident that my class, if I am not present, I am usually there, but in case I am not present, it will go on smoothly because they know how to handle things in a society. And it is just not here, having the teapot, anywhere outside also. The child learns society faster in Montessori method. Okay? Yeah, what was the doubt? No doubt. To make the child independent. Oh. I think आदी हो गई हूँ मैं doubts पूछने के लिए, इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ, दे दो मुझे doubts please. Okay? So, concept of Montessori method, as we all know, the Montessori method of education was started by Dr. Maria Montessori. In which year? उसके date of birth दे रहे हो? नहीं. कौन से year में उसने start किया था? बेशर्मो. I think I have to brand you. ठीक है, your homework for today. I want to know the year in which Dr. Maria Montessori started the Montessori system of education. Because it is not specified to 1 year. That's my answer. Why is that so? Because when Dr. Maria Montessori was working in her research, okay, she actually was given children who are disabled. mentally, physically, special children who couldn't be given a regular syllabus, a regular curriculum, because they couldn't learn as the children of regular. But what if we absorb them into it? How can we rehabilitate into a regular system of education? We started giving them instruments. For example, an instrument where the child can relate to, let's say a glass. And the child learns how to hold a glass of water. The child learns different things to pour into a water. The child learns comparison with that tumbler. The different things the child could learn. Then what happened? When she started this, she started working with that. She came into a district known as San Lorenzo district of Italy. You also say Rome, because Rome and Italy are neighbors, as we all know. So the San Lorenzo district was actually the poorest of the poor sections of the society, where the children never went to a school, when the parents were regular daily wage laborers, wherein there was a lot of crime happening also, because there was a lot of unemployment and eager youths just walking around, wandering, so nothing better to do. So she thought, why not include all of them? Now how can she include all of them? For example, a laborer's child usually is thinking from that point of view, from a daily thing, because he sees his parents doing the same thing. So what can I do? For example, if I am a hammersmith, I work with hammers, I make hammers. Let's say I'm an ironsmith, so I work with iron. So my child is given those kind of manipulatives, those kind of educational toys wherein the child literally makes hammer. So he starts relating to it. He starts relating to it, and he comes to my class. Then we have a goldsmith. And the goldsmith's son knows how Papa makes the gold. We have those kind of manipulatives here. Okay? So those kind of manipulators were used in the early Montessori approach, wherein it was exactly like how the adults use it. Fine? And Dr. Piaget also. Piaget, he's again one of the founders of education systems. We'll learn them in detail later. Piaget also had a lot of influence with Dr. Maria Montessori's system of education. So she thought, why not use those manipulators which is used for special children into the San Lorenzo district? And believe it or not, 100% attendance was achieved. So that is how we all have to inculcate that. What if we do that? What if, reason out and think, is there a method wherein they can be absorbed? Come, bring them to a common understanding, bring them to a language which they understand, and then absorb them into the Montessori system. Okay? So the Montessori system as we know today is the evolved system which has come, and which Dr. Maria Montessori also showed us how to perform those presentations, those tasks that we have to do. Okay. Now what is the benefit that the child gains out of the Montessori system? Page number 12. Competence. Competence means the child starts competing and thinking, okay, can I do much better than what I did yesterday? Now he is doing it so well, can I also observe him and do it accordingly? He starts competing. The more he competes, the more refined he becomes in his skill. Second point is self-discipline. Why self-discipline? Now if I see a toy, if I see a teddy bear, all the children want that teddy bear. I. You take a child to a store and you see a lot of teddy bears and he'll say, Doraemon, I want that Doraemon kind of stuffed toy. Yes or no? That's what each child does. But in a Montessori approach, the child doesn't scream and cry for one thing. Because we don't give balls to all or toys to all. There's just one toy wherein one child or two children are working on it and all the others have to wait. Because they know, okay, I will also get my chance. I will also get my chance. So they have patience. They learn self-discipline. I can't scream out. If I want, I have to wait. It will ultimately come back to me. Third thing is social adjustment. Adjusting in the society. After you. Sharing. Okay? That all comes under the Montessori system. Qualities of children as assessed by Dr. Maria Montessori. Dr. Maria Montessori assists children while she did work with the manipulators, and this is the result that she got. First of all, amazing mental concentration. We believe that the child does not have mental concentration, as we all said, 2.5 minutes. That's because the child is not interested in learning what you're telling him. But when the child is completely absorbed for hours together also, he will have the amazing mental concentration, more than us. Because once we sit and then we say, Ayo Rabba, and then we have to change our legs, style badalna hai. For a child, it's not possible. He just sits however he wants to, and he's working on it. Yes or no? And amazingly, until the complete tower is built, he will sit in that position. Okay? Second point, love of repetition. A child who starts a ping tower, let's say in the age of 2.5 to 3, he stays on to the ping tower until 6 years of age. I'm just giving an example. 6 years of age. So 3 years he has been regularly doing. Yeah, there was a mixture of other manipulators also. But he doesn't say, ye to main kar chuka hu. Why should I? That doesn't happen there. The children love repetitions. Okay? Thirdly, love of order. That means children are usually messy, as we all know. Come on, I can't say children are orderly. They are not organized, as we all know. You have to keep pulling their, under them. You have to keep picking after them. But once they are in the Montessori approach, they know the order of things. They are very, very organized, much more organized than the teacher. Because the teacher will teach them, this is the way you're supposed to keep. And it will stay in between. It will not go left or right. How you teach is how the child keeps doing it. So they start becoming orderly. Next one, freedom of choice. When the children are left to choose, they start choosing and they stay with it. If you ask the child today, what do you want to work on? And he says, I want to work on something, let's say buttons. How do you button and unbutton? When the choice is given to the child will stay with that. So, freedom of choice. Next one, children prefer work to play. Now, this was one of the greatest surprise by Dr. Maria Montessori. She said, our children love to play. Kya kar rahe ho? Khel rahe ho. For an adult, a child who is just roaming around, or a child who is busy with his toy, looks happy, he's playing. But play is also work for them. For them, they don't understand the difference between play and work. A child of 3.5 to 5 years, or 6 years. For him, play is not play. Play is a work. And they love to work as the elders. If he's seen the mother cooking, he loves to wear the apron, and he loves to stir. So this is work. If he's seen a hammersmith, he knows this is the way hammers are made. This is the way I also want to do. They like to adapt or imitate an adult, as we did in the emotions. So that is made possible in the Montessori system of education. Next one. No need for reward or punishment. As we told, no, we have not yet reached that. Reward and punishment we'll be doing much later in psychology. But you all know, if you do this, I will do. The deals that we make. अगर तुम ये दूध पियोगे फिर हम बाहर जाएंगे. Yes, we all do it. Come on, let's be frank. Yeah. So we all are business oriented. You do your homework, we all go outside. It's a deal, business deal. You see, because it works out for you, so you are happy. And the child doesn't understand, so you are happy. The child is also happy. Yes or no? But uska aati ban jata. He becomes susceptible. Means after some time he says, एक से नहीं चलेगा. मुझे 2 eclairs चाहिए. 2 से नहीं चलेगा. मुझे complete dairy milk चाहिए. Dairy milk से भी नहीं चलेगा. मुझे बड़ा चाहिए. Kinder Joy. That too, nowadays I see children, they need 2 Kinder Joys each. Why is that happening? That's because you have kept giving him, like let's say for example, whenever you are in pain, you have a tablet of paracetamol. Once you get so used to it, now 150 mg nahi chalta, 350, 500 mg, 650 mg chahiye crossing. Yes or no? So that is what happens. When you keep rewarding unnecessarily, he becomes immune to it. And then the punishments also, you keep punishing the child, he becomes more arrogant in nature. It doesn't make a difference at all to the child. So in a Montessori system of education, there is no need for reward, there is no need for punishment. The work itself is a reward for the child. Okay? Next one.
But we can praise the child, no?
We have to praise the child after the work is done. Have to praise the child. It's talking about the material reward. Okay? The children refuse sweet. They mean when the child cries, what does the mother do? Or when the child is very adamant, nahi, nahi, mujhe wahi chahiye, the mother takes out the chocolate from the handbag and says, see how you show a bone to the dog like that. Very sorry to say that, but that's how it is, You're showing the sweet and keeping him away from that. Now, in case in a Montessori approach, you try the same thing with a child where he's busy in his work. He will not get distracted. When the child is so busy in his work, he doesn't want the sweet. That's one of the research findings. Okay? Next one. Lovers of silence. We feel children are very naughty by nature. They love to scream and shout and play. Yes, they do have playtime. But once they are in the Montessori class, all children will be quiet. When we do assessment of teachers, we go to schools, and when we are passing through the Montessori class, we have somewhere around 20 children sitting there. Highly impossible to think. I thought the class was empty, and I just open the door and I say, it's a class in action. It's a Montessori class going on. 20 children, imagine. There were 2 teachers and they were happy in their own world. So once the child is completely in the manipulative, he loves silence. Okay? Next one. Sense of personal dignity. We feel for a child, he is shameless, doesn't feel embarrassed. But a child also has a sense of personal dignity with the child. Okay? You should not be hurting that. A child is also a young adult. And a child can easily remember things. We might forget, but the child does not forget. Okay? Next one. Desire to read and write in the beginning. So, the first few years, we usually give oral work to the child. But the child loves to read and write. The child loves reading. The child loves writing. But we are the ones who stop him. Nahi beta, abhi nahi karo, tumhari umar nahi aayi, warna pure diwar kharab ho jayenge. Because we are selfish by nature. We don't want him to do it. That is why we are stopping him from educating himself. Otherwise, you give him a pen and he is happily doing it. The child loves writing. The child sees, give him those pamphlets wherein it's beautifully written and he wants to see and just scribble around. He's trying to develop that. Even he sees, you get these 3-letter words, one picture and one word, those kind of books. The child loves to do it, but he's not able to, because that much he has not developed, that much classes he didn't go to. So, sit with the child and relate to the child. Okay? Now, outlook of the Montessori approach. What is the outlook? Outlook means in the end, what do you feel it is? First, children are capable of self-directed learning. That means, I am capable of learning by myself. I don't need to be directed every time. Okay, do this, don't do that, do that, don't do that. Okay? So I am capable of learning myself. Secondly, it's critically important for the teacher to be an observer. Okay? That means a teacher will not guide the child every time. एक बार बता दिया आपने किस तरह करना है, that's it. After that, if the child does wrong, a second child, you might sit with the child, but other than that, you are not at all doing it. You will observe how the work is done. And then you will take 3-period lesson. Has madam taught you 3-period lessons? You'll be doing 3-period lesson and you'll be assessing where the child is doing. How is he doing? Does he need a repetition on this? Okay? Assessment करोगे आप, observation करोगे आप, direction नहीं दोगे. Okay? Next one. We have something called a sensitive period. What is sensitive period? Sensitive period is when we want the child to understand the basic things in life. For example, walking. We walk daily. But the sense of walking, we see everybody. The sense that I am seeing. We smell good food daily. But the sense of I am smelling something good, something bad. All that will come in the Montessori approach of education. The taste, where the sour taste comes. In the tongue, you have different places of taste bud. Where the salty taste goes to one particular place and then you come to know it's salty. Sweet goes to one particular place and you come to know, it's not the complete tongue which tastes the sweet. It's one taste bud that you have there. So those different things, gustatory senses, olfactory senses, tactile senses, all that knowledge will be taught in the Montessori approach. Next one, children are masters of their own schoolroom environment. Now, you are specifically going to prepare that environment for the child. Those kind of classrooms which are child-friendly in nature. You don't have sharp edges, you don't have high tables, everything is low, everything is easily reachable where the child can take care of himself, and you are left. Once you know the child is safe, child friendly, as the child wants that kind of an environment, let the child be there. Okay? Next one. Children learn through discovery. So didactic materials with a control of error are used. That means they love to discover things. For us, it's like Ghisapita thing. It's nothing new for us. But for a child, it's something new. So you could teach the child, when I have, let's say, something of an inclination, and I pour water from one area, it goes down to another one. But this one is getting filled. Then I turn it, this one pours down, and this one is getting filled. So this is a knowledge of gravity. This is a knowledge of the water flow. They have explored that. They have discovered that. Give them those kind of experiments wherein the child will discover. Okay? Next one. Children often must learn alone during period of intense concentration. So everything is not done in a group wise. When the child is in intense concentration, let the child learn alone, each child to himself. Okay? Next one. The hand is intimately connected to the developing brain of the child. So we have a lot of touching exercises. Manipulatives are all about touching, because we feel the hand is directly linked to the brain. The work done with the hands is remembered faster and the impression stays on for a longer period. Okay? Now, let's start with the basic principles of Montessori education. First basic principle of Montessori education, independence and freedom. What do you mean by independence and freedom? The child is allowed to learn without any interruption, no instructions, at his own pace. So he can take a long time, 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, no issue. At his own pace. So you give him the amount of freedom. Yes, Ditashi, you were saying something? Same thing. Okay? The same amount of freedom and independence to be given. First, the discovery of the child. That means Dr. Maria Montessori has said, I discovered that education is not the responsibility of the teacher, but rather a natural process which develops spontaneously in human beings. It is not acquired by listening to words, but it is the sum total of experiences a child can have in his environment. Don't give more to the ears and eyes than you give to the hands. What did Dr. Maria Montessori say? She said that you have to give more to the hands. Let the child explore on his own. I don't think by the teacher keeping on speaking, the child will learn better. Okay? So that's the first point. Second point, observing the child. That means after your contribution as a teacher, you have given him space to learn, start observing the child. He will look at the other children, how they perform, and he will come when his chance is supposed to become. He will do it, and you are going to sit and see how he does. And as he learns, as he observes, he will learn. It's a complete cycle. Do not keep interjecting in between. Okay? How her basic principles came about. Now, we feel, एक बार करवा दिया ये फिर से क्यों करवा रहे हैं? Because we get bored as an adult. But as a child, the child loves repetition. So repeat the exercise again and again and again. You have to repeat the exercise. Secondly, make the child choose on his own. Let the child have his own choices of the manipulator he is going to use today. Thirdly, the child will himself assess and check himself in case he goes wrong. How will he check himself? There will be his own facilitators also. And he will also observe all the other children, how they are doing, and he will start doing it. Okay? Next one. Children like it when human movements are analyzed. So human movements means, again, he will observe the other child, how he is keeping, he is analyzing the human movement. He loves that. Don't we also love? When Pratima madam is doing, we'll all be staring at how madam is doing, because we are in awe of human movements. That is why we love dancing. That is why we love going to shows or theatre, because human movements are so graceful. That is why Montessori system of approach is more about human movements, because it's a graceful learning of education. Okay? Then children enjoy silent exercises, as according to Dr. Maria Montessori, silence exercises should be more. So teaching means learning with the help of manipulatives, not directing how to do it. Okay? So you as teachers should remember, when you are teaching a Montessori methodology, a presentation, don't say keep like this, do like that. It's just done the way it is supposed to be done. You're not well, Padmaja? Okay. Next, they are in favor of good manners and social behavior. When they see good manners being performed in the class, they will also learn the good manners. Okay? Next one, children like an ordered environment where everything is in a fixed place. For example, the pink tire always is here. The cylinder blocks are always here. So he knows, if I want the cylinder blocks, where is it supposed to be? Children love orderly fashion. Next one, children need to take care of their own body. So we have those classes wherein body habits, different kinds of habits, brushing the teeth, cleaning your ears or blowing your nose and washing your hands, all that is done. Next one, children in the ages 3 to 6 are geared towards their senses, because we say that a child, a baby, is just like, it has those animal senses, animal smells. That's how a child loves to smell the mother. Animal loves tasting. That is why whatever curiosity a child has goes inside the mouth. So this is part of who we are. Those, all the other senses also are opened. So give him that education also. It is not only hearing education, it's not only talking education. It's kinesthetic education also. Teaching with the help of heads, teaching with the help of nose, with the help of tongue, with the help of ears, everything comes together. All the approach that you can teach the child. Okay? Next one, the child will start to write before they start reading, as we all know. We have seen all the tamasha on the wall. So the child starts to write before he can actually read. But what do we do? Orals pehle reading karwa de nursery mein, phir writing karwa de. That's a totally different approach to education. It's a totally different approach. Next one, children like discipline within their free environment. In case this is the environment that we give them freedom. Ki chalo, karo khud. Do not try to suffocate them in that. Now, spontaneous activity. What is spontaneous activity? Spontaneous activity means spontaneous. At the time itself, you will do that activity. Now, spontaneous activity, the child is choosing. The child is choosing. It is spontaneous. आज आप क्या करना चाहते हो? आज मैं cylinder blocks करना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, जाइए, उठाइए. So one by one he comes and keeps in his place. He spontaneously chose it. But we as teachers are supposed to keep a prepared environment, ready environment. नहीं, एक मिनट ठहरो, पहले मैट नहीं डाला, ये नहीं डाला, वो नहीं डाला, नहीं. Everything should be kept in an orderly fashion before your Montessori children come into the room. Okay? Prepared environment will be there, but spontaneous activity will be performed. Okay? Next one, arrangement of the classroom. The classroom should be arranged in such a way that a little place is movable. In the sense, now in case I am taking the brown stairs, place where I can bring the brown stairs and keep, where I can arrange, should also be there. Movable spaces should be there in between. Okay? Next one, size of the group. Please keep a limited size because the child has less of patience. Though he is learning self-discipline, we don't want to punish the child. Yeah? So we can have 2 or 3 groups, different groups. You can take at different time, and let's say 4 to 8 max in one group. Fine? So the child's chance will also come early. Next one, materials. Now Montessori materials should be of a good quality. Now Montessori materials are not made by everybody. Okay, they are of a particular dimension, they should hold a particular weight. So all that are already readily available in the market. Those materials which are readily available, which are purely Montessori in nature, should be used. Okay? Next we know about is observation. What is the meaning of observation? Let's start observing the child. Okay? Developmental stage from 0 to 6 years. Now 0 to 3 years, we say that he is in a spiritual stage or an embryo stage. What is the meaning of embryo stage? A child who is learning, a child who is zilch, a child who is empty in his development as of now. Okay, he is ready, he wants to learn. Then 3 to 6 years we call as a builder of the human. That is a nomenclature given to them. Builder of the human means he is the forerunner for the human race. Okay, so we give him things that he can become a builder of the human. Starting stage. Okay. Next one, 6 to 12 years. In that, 6 to 9 years is the discoverer. 6 to 9 years is the discoverer, means we are going to give him manipulators wherein he can explore and discover and experiment with things. Okay, that is our discoverer stage. 9 to 12 years, we call it as a scientist stage. Scientist stage means we are giving him more of science manipulatives, more of experiments wherein he will come at a desired result. Okay, those kind of manipulators will be given. Next, 12 to 18 years, wherein the 12 to 15 years is the organizer stage. He starts organizing, he starts keeping all the environment in an orderly fashion. Then comes 15 to 18 years, we say socially engaged. After 18 years, he is free to go to the society. So it's socially engaged, he is ready to be one with the society. Fine, that's our second observation. Now you can read all that at home, any problem, any doubt, you can come back to me. Next one, development of social skills. What is the meaning of development of social skills? We say that with learning, social skills are also very important. We don't want the child to be A1, rank 1, and in the society is completely zero. He doesn't know how to mingle, or he uses bad mouth. He uses words which should not be used. Why does that happen? Because in the society, there are certain norms, as we said. There are certain norms to be followed, and if the child can follow those norms, we call him as acceptable in the society. So for that, what do? We do a division. We say 4 to 6 years, the Montessori that we call it, as one group, 6 to 9 years another group, and 9 to 12 years is the third group. Why do we have to put this kind of an arrangement? Now, as we all know, in Montessori, we do not bar the age. We do not have barriers that this age only will be playing with this manipulative. But we feel 4 to 6 years child should be given an element of doubt. Yeah, because he's still learning how to go about it. Okay, so level 1, we consider them as level 1. Okay, above that, 6 to 9 years, they have a fairly good view, wherein if they do something wrong, they are very much aware that yes, they are doing something wrong. Realization comes in. So they can be considered as level 2, wherein we give them some more things that they can do in the society. Like thank you. No, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. So a little more of greeting, little more of comprehension and all that. Okay. 9 to 12 years is the group wherein they are ready for the society. That is how we classify them into the age groups. Now next one, teacher and children relationship. What is the relation in between the teacher and the child? As we all know, it's a teacher teaches, child learns kind of a relation every time generally. But in a Montessori approach, we don't have that. A teacher is just like any other adult that they know of. A teacher does not teach. A teacher is a facilitator. A teacher is an observer. A teacher will direct only in the first instant or when the manipulative is going wrong. Somewhere it's going wrong. That's where the teacher is going to come. But usually it doesn't happen because there is an older child who's always sitting. Yeah. So teacher and child, then what is the need of a teacher? The need of a teacher is the teacher will observe and assess the child. The teacher will see whether he's learnt accordingly or does he require some more days with this manipulative. If he's completely sure about it, if you know there's a sign of boredom coming in, so you can change to the cylinder blocks, you can change to brown stairs or long stairs, whatever. Go to the next one, next activity. There are lots and lots and lots of activities in Montessori approach. Okay? Task of a teacher to take care of the prepared environment. What does the teacher do? Khali pili nahi baithna hai. You have to take care of the prepared environment in the sense that ensure the children keep all the things back after the activity and ensure that the complete place is prepared for the next batch to come in. And when the next batch come in, all the activities, like for example, the pink towel will be in the pink towel's place, brown stairs will be in the brown stairs place, pouring tumblers will be kept here, the laces and all will be kept here. So the teacher is going to ensure that, organizing of the prepared environment. Next, respect the child's self-motivation. The teacher should understand that the child is self-motivated and respect that. You don't know, no, you learn this, then the child is not going to learn by himself. Okay? Let the child motivate himself. Next one, have knowledge of the material readily available. It should not be, I don't know how to do today, you don't take this, you take that one. The child cannot be stopped the knowledge because of the shortcoming of the teacher. That should not be there. So you should have ample knowledge of what is supposed to be done, like we all do, control of error, calling of the child, invitation, presentation, aim, all that. ample knowledge the teacher is supposed to have. Next one, observation. The teacher is supposed to observe. That's one of the basic ones. Encourage the child's independent activity. Okay, shall we do it? Help me do it on my own. There's a difference. Help me do it on my own means the child is saying, I will do it, let me do. And the adult should also understand and let the child do. Next one, positive influence and set as an example. So the first activity that you do, you are being an example. You are being positive. Come, let's learn. It's so wonderful. If the teacher says, the child will also say, you should be happy and jovial and show an interest in what you're doing, so the child will also be interested. Okay? Next one, Montessori materials. A general survey of the Montessori materials. What are the general survey? First is the material for development. Developmental materials, the basic materials that we have. Second, materials are supplementary materials which help in the development process. Third, materials are additional materials that we have. Then we have the practice materials. Now, why should we have materials? Why should we have materials? First of all, it arouses the interest of the learner. Practical works makes them interesting. First thing, thank you. So, first thing is that a child who learns by practice learns it better. For example, if the teacher is teaching about trees and plants, or if the teacher takes and shows this is a tree, this is a root, this is a plant, it makes a lot of difference. Okay? So that's the first thing. Second thing, provides various opportunities for gaining experiences. That means I'm giving tactile sense, kinesthetic, visual, audio, all that I'm giving. So 2-3 heightened forms of learning is given. So more impact, more impression on the child's mind. Okay? Next one. It facilitates control of error. Yes or no? When Montessori materials are in front of you, rather than seeing how to do it, if you do have it in front, it will facilitate the control of error. Next one. It has one specific characteristic or at least limited focus. Today I am teaching about comparison, so it's only about comparison that we are going to do. Tomorrow in the same activity we shall learn something more. So it's limited. Every time it should be limited, the child should understand this concept. Okay? Next one, limited in quantity again. It is limited in quantity because if we have a lot of quantity, then the next child will not get his chance. So everybody should get a chance. You see? That's why. Okay? The final one, it looks nice and is a quality product. A lot of different objectives, objects that we see, have a vibe of their own. They look quality, they look elegant, they look, I want to touch this. Those kind of manipulators should be used. Now, characteristics of the featured materials. A lot of materials are used. For example, as you can see there, we have botany cards, we have well materials. Whatever materials that we have, the child should be easily able to give the attention, and the attention should be consistent with that material. It should be that good. Okay, the material should be that good that it takes my attention, and my attention stays on with the manipulative until my activity is done. It should not be very boring. Next one, isolation of property. You all know what is isolation of property? After that is control of error. What is the control of error? You should?
The things that they should not do is
So we have an ample good knowledge that what they should not be doing, you have to control that. Check that. Check that. Next is isolation of property. What is isolation of property? Yeah, the complete activity should be kept separate from the other distractions of manipulators. Okay, what's the time? 12:30 exact? Yeah, 2-3 minutes here. 12:35. We'll finish this up. Limitation of material. Limitation of material means the number of boxes or the sizes will be limited because we want the complete activity to be absorbed by the child. If it was innumerable, the child will not be able to absorb that activity. Okay. Next one, attractiveness of the material. The material should be attractive, as we said about the attention span. Okay. Next one, increasing degree of complexity. That means the same material, one activity I am giving of level 1. Next activity I will give a little more degree of complexity. Next activity a little more degree of complexity. Once he masters that, then we go to the next level. Next one, material as aid to the child. That means this material is used as a teaching aid for the child. The child will understand how to go about it. Okay. Last one, material as aid to the teacher. That means this, when the teacher is teaching something, this material can be used as a teaching aid. Okay. We will break for our lunch right now, 12:30 to 1:30. Today we are having an early lunch. And after lunch we shall continue the remaining topics. After lunch we shall continue the remaining topic. Okay, let's say 45 minutes, that's more than enough for you. Okay, 12:30 to 1:15. That's the end of it. Thank you, class. Okay.